How to make a Ubisoft account. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Geek. In today's video I'll simply show you how you can make a Ubisoft account, so just make sure to watch the video till the end. Now Ubisoft account is generally used for games that require you to have a Ubisoft account, and if you want to create one you can do so from the website, or you can also do it from the application called Ubisoft Connect. If you want to create an account using the website, you have to go to account.ubisoft.com. I'll make sure to drop a direct link down in the description box, so if that option is convenient for you then you can check that out respectively. But if you have the application, it's very easy, and then just open the Ubisoft Connect application first, and then it'll ask you to log into your account if you already do have one. But assuming that we are new to this, what we will do is first of all we will let the application to load. It says I'm new to Ubisoft, I'm already registered, so since we're trying to create an account, we'll just choose the option called create an account over here. So it says me to create a Ubisoft account. The very first thing of course we will do is we'll just enter our email address on which we want to link our Ubisoft account. Then we'll go ahead and simply choose a password for ourselves. After you choose a password for yourself, make sure you meet the password rules. If you're not sure what you've typed in, you can tap on the I button right next to it, and then you can also simply enter your age, and then once you've entered your age, agree to the Ubisoft terms and conditions, and then just hit the create an account button from the bottom of the screen. It'll ask you to verify your Ubisoft account with the email that has been sent to the one that you've typed in. So what we will do is we'll just go ahead and then log into our Gmail or any of the mailing services that you've added. We'll refresh it a couple of times, hopefully in order to receive the email from Ubisoft. If you don't receive it, you can try to go to the all inbox section. So over here you can see the code. I'll just go ahead and then copy this code right over here, and then once I've copied the code, I'm basically going to come back and then just paste that new code, and then I'll just hit the create an account button. And as you do that, you should be able to successfully create your Ubisoft account, and that's all it takes to make a Ubisoft account. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.